Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a scrapbook layout using 6x6 paper from South Market. It was something I found years ago and I thought, well, this is going to be great using it for my strawberry jam canning session that I took pictures of. Now this is my second strawberry canning session and my second strawberry layout. So if you'd like to see that one, I'll put the link below so you can see a 12 by 12 layout that I think turned out super cute. Here I'm trying to find 5 sheets of 6x6 paper to go with my layout. I'm going to cut them using my Tim Holtz trimmer, and I'm not lining it up with the numbers. I am trying to cut it with the guillotine to make 2 triangles, and I don't do it perfectly, so I have to just take a slight bit of paper off, and I will continue to do this for each sheet because I'm going to need 1 triangle for each side of the paper. Now I have really gotten into canning. I don't know if anyone else cans here, but you'll have to let me know in the comments below. But you can use this layout for any type of scrapbooking, and you just need your papers to coordinate with your pictures. And we always do that anyway, so this is just a fun way to use up these 6x6 paper pads that I seem to collect. And what I'm going to do is I want to put these on each side of the scrapbook paper, and I decided to use white because I'm using a lot of different color papers here, and the papers are actually going to be more of the focal point of this layout than the pictures will be. And you may not like that, but I really wanted to use the papers as my layout. And also I wanted to make sure, as you notice, all the papers are the same on both sides. I was going to use this photo, but I decided not to. I'll do a single page layout for that photo of my cat sitting in the strawberry box, and I'm going to start adhering this page down. Now when I adhere the page down, I'm using the Barely Art glue, and I've already adhered the first 4 down on this page, and I am going to start on the next page. But I want to make sure that I line these up with each other, and I saw that this wasn't cut perfectly, so I am just gonna trim a little bit off. No one will ever notice because no one's going to put the 2 pages side by side. It will be close enough, but I did need a straight edge on that page. So you see it works out just fine. And I will continue to build this layout. Now, like I said, I have a love-hate relationship with the Barely Art glue. Sometimes I don't get the cap on right and a big glob comes out. Sometimes for me, the glue hardens up before I'm ready to go to the next step in my project. So I'm just getting used to it, and I've only been using it for about 2 months now. So we'll see how it goes. A lot of people recommended it. And I decided that I would try it. Now, do you do pictures of cooking in your kitchen? I just recently have just fallen in love with doing pictures of the cooking process and documenting everyday life for us, which includes cooking in the kitchen, gardening, all sorts of different things. And another thing I went and did was also I took the pictures and matted them, and I decided to mat them on red because red was going to make the strawberries pop out on the layout. So that's another thing, and that'll also make the pictures more predominant over the triangles on the page. But I did want the scrapbook paper to shine, and I'll put each picture in each corner of the page and adhere those down. If you like this layout and you think you'll do one, give it a thumbs up. I thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. I hope this gives you some inspiration. Thanks for stopping by.